Baby, 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 from the day I saw you, I really, really wanted to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you, 'cause not a lot of guys are worth my time.
Hi guys, it's me Deja, and I'm back with another video. If you want to know how I achieved this electric blue, pinky, undertone-ish look, just go ahead and keep watching. I'm also going to link all those items that I used in the description box, so let's do it. Okay, so I went ahead and filled in my brows off camera, and to fill in my brows, I used the Milani brow pomade in the color dark brown. Now, I'm going to be going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan as a base for my eyeshadow. After that, I'm going to be going in with the very nude eyeshadow before I apply my transition. Now, I'm going to be using my Delanci palette, and I'm going to be using a very light brown shade. And I'm going to build it up. I don't want it to be too heavy, but I do want it to show. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be carving out my crease, and I'm going to be using that same LA Girl Pro Concealer to do that. And I'm not gonna lie, I am being a little heavy-handed, but that's only because I really want the pigment to show. Now I'm going to be using this MAC eyeshadow as my base, and I'm going to be putting it on with the MAC 214 brush. Now moving on to the face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Prime to prime my face, and I'm going to be using a generous amount. Now to color correct, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the orange shade, and I'm going to be applying it on all of my dark areas. And you really have to make sure that it's blended out really well, otherwise it will show through your foundation. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the MAC SPF 15 Studio Fix in the color NC43. And mind you, I'm using a wet beauty blender to dab it on. Now for my concealer, I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear in the color NC42, and I'm going to be applying it underneath my eyes, my cupid's bow, on my forehead, and my smile lines. And I'm going to be taking that same wet beauty blender, and I'm going to be dabbing it and making sure that it's really molded into my skin. And to contour, I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear in the color NC50. So I'm going to be using this e.l.f. contour brush to apply it on my cheeks. And when I blend it out, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. foundation brush.
After that, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix in the color NC43, and I'm going to be using this shorthand MAC brush to basically dust it, but I'm going to be doing it very lightly. To set everything, I'm going to be going in with the Revolution banana powder, and I'm going to be applying it with the same damp beauty blender. And I'm going to be taking that same shorthand MAC brush to dust everything away. And I'm going to be lining my waterline with the e.l.f. black eyeliner. Now I'm going to be taking a brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to be applying it in my waterline as well. So for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Holographic. Now to line my lips, I'm going to be using Chestnut, of course. I'm just going to be very precise about the way that I apply the line. I just want it to look very natural, but I also want it to look a little bold. And I'm going to be going in with this Maybelline pink lipstick. And for lip gloss, I'm going to be using this LA Colors Holographic Pink Lip Gloss. And guys, this lip gloss is only $2 and it is so good. I love it. And that's it. I'm just going to set this whole look with the Badescu facial spray. And that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and also like this video. See you next time.